Meanwhile, one of the main suspects has turned himself in to the Hunts Bay CIB.
The suspect, Decomi Mahoney, otherwise called Romy, turned himself in earlier today.
And there were painful yet powerful scenes at the Edward Seaga Infant School in West Kingston this morning as the school reflected on the gruesome murder of 3-year-old Jace Pinnock.
Pinnock was among 3 members of his family who were shot during a gun attack in Denham Town Saturday morning.
As Kalisha Williams reports, the police are urgently appealing for the perpetrators to turn themselves in.
A moment of reflection, one that these students may not even comprehend.
I am teaching here for 23 years and I'm in West Kingston teaching for 40 years. It's a long time, but it is the most gruesome act I have ever seen. This act is very callous, brutish, and I hope it will not repeat itself.
This shrine, now a symbol of loss and the love they had for their classmate, 3-year-old Jace Pinnock, whose life was cut short by criminals in Denham Town, West Kingston, Saturday morning. His 8-year-old brother and father were also injured during the brutal attack.
He will no longer sit here. It will just be memories, and he has not lived any life at all.
Member of Parliament for West Kingston, Desmond Mackenzie, was among a team from the government who visited the school Monday morning to offer support to students and staff. As the school tries to come to terms with the incident, deliberate efforts were made to cheer up the students.
Jesus loved the little children, all the children of the world. Yellow, black and white, all are precious in his sight.
But amidst those precious moments, tears of sorrow, the toddler's mother, LaDania Cunningham, could not hold back tears.
I have a master's in counseling and psychology, so from time to time I counsel parents and students and community members. So feel free to come over and we will sit and we'll talk with you and encourage you. And I'm asking the other mothers to stand by her.
Since the incident, Mr. Mackenzie also explained that there have been several intervention programs in the community.
If you notice, JPS was here all day yesterday, cutting down the trees that were hanging across the area, putting up, reinstalling street lights. But let me say this. There are a number of street lights that are affected because of illegal connection.
In the meantime, there are appeals for the perpetrators in Saturday's vicious attack to turn themselves in. The police are also encouraging persons with information to share it with them. The public is also being reminded of the $600,000 cash reward for anyone with information which leads to the arrest and charge of the persons involved.
Whatever information you have, don't keep it to yourself. We have the police here who are ready to investigate. Already we have some leads and we are proceeding with those.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.